Okay, 13.4. We're still looking at probabilities, but we're going to use two special rules, addition and multiplication. We're going to use some vocab throughout this whole chapter. Mutually exclusive means that the events don't overlap. So like rolling a die and spinning a spinner, they're not going to affect each other. Okay, so they don't affect each other. And like in a table, it would be a row and another row, or a column and another column. Non-mutually exclusive events do overlap. So like if we were sorting by number, and then we were sorting by like heart and spade, diamond, clover, like a 4, clover, those overlap. That's a non-mutually exclusive event. So the way we do this, when we're looking at if something can fit one category or the other, so if there's a union going on and we have the totals of these two options, we want to subtract the overlap. That's the only thing there. So like if I added all of these up and I added all of these up, that got added twice, so we subtracted once. Multiplication rule is if I want both things to make sure to happen, you can multiply the two odds together. So let's look at this. This one, there's going to be a lot of word problems. So 6 nickels and 4 dimes are in your pocket. Okay, so we've got 6 nickels and 4 dimes. 1 of the nickels and 3 of the dimes are Canadian. So 1's Canadian, 3 of these are Canadian, which leaves the other 2 to be, or the other 5 to be Canadian, or not Canadian, US. And 1 over here to be US. So those are our totals. If you want to put these in a table, that might help you also. So if you had like, I need one more. So if it was like, Canada or US, and if it's a nickel or a dime, we've got a total of 10 coins. 6 are nickels, 4 are dimes. We know something about the Canadian ones, and you can figure out kind of totals as you go. It's sometimes really helpful to do a table, or you can just kind of sketch one like I did. You randomly select a coin from your pocket, and you're looking for the probability of it's a dime or Canada currency. So or is a union. So we're going to take the probability of being a dime, or, so union, Canada, which is going to be adding the total dimes. So there were 4 dimes. There were, there were 4 dimes out of our total of 10. There were, Canada coins. There was a total of 4 Canada coins. So this is dimes. This is Canada coins. But we're going to get rid of the ones that were Canada and dimes. And out of 10, there were only 3 of those. So we do the math here, and we add up the numerators. The denominator stays the same, and we get 5 out of 10 as our probability. Okay, so that's the addition. Because it's a union, we used the addition rule. The next one I think is an example of multiplication. This one, I think these are the funnest ones. So 15 shirts in your closet. You know you have 15. And you have 7 blue ones, and you have 8 green ones. So the first day, Monday. Okay. You select one to wear on Monday, and then you select a different one to wear on Tuesday, and you want to know what are the odds of getting blue on both days. So on the first day, what's the probability of getting blue out of your total? Well, there's 7 shirts, and there's a total of 15. So that's the probability of blue on Monday. The probability of blue on Tuesday, remember you already wore a different shirt. So there's only 14 shirts to choose from now, and out of the blue ones, we already are assuming we wore a blue one here, so it goes down to 6 blue ones left. if you think about your closet. And then you multiply those. I need to get a calculator. So we're going to get 42 out of, wrong one, 210. And I think I left it not simplified. If you want to go ahead and simplify it, just pay attention to the directions, because I think the directions say which one to do. Here you would get 1 over 5. But I think you can leave it not simplified. Okay, so that is 13.4. Pretty fun stuff.